Autopilot Enterprise Marketing Automation App. The pros, the cons. Autopilot Enterprise Marketing Automation App promises to simplify customer journeys and automate marketing campaigns, but is it really the game changer it claims to be? On the positive side, Autopilot excels in visual campaign building, allowing marketing teams to design multi-step customer journeys with drag-and-drop simplicity. Automation triggers, personalized messaging and behavior-based workflows help enterprises nurture leads more effectively. Its integrations with CRM systems, email platforms, and analytics tools provide a unified marketing ecosystem. Enterprises often experience higher engagement rates, faster lead conversions, and more efficient campaign management. However, there are trade-offs. Enterprise-level plans can be costly, and teams need proper onboarding to fully leverage the platform. While automation is powerful, it can feel impersonal if not carefully tailored, and complex campaigns may require additional monitoring to ensure accuracy. Some users report a learning curve for advanced features, making ongoing training important. Most people at this wrong. They think marketing automation alone guarantees success. The surprising truth is that Autopilot works best when combined with strategic planning, creative messaging, and human oversight. Automation amplifies your efforts, it doesn't replace thoughtful marketing. In conclusion, Autopilot Enterprise Marketing Automation App is a solid choice for enterprises seeking to streamline customer journeys and enhance lead nurturing. Its visual workflow builder, integrations, and automation features boost efficiency and engagement. But maximum value comes from pairing its capabilities with a well-planned marketing strategy and ongoing human oversight. Used correctly, Autopilot can save time, increase conversions, and strengthen customer relationships.